Tropical rainforests are forests with tall trees, warm climates, and lots of rain. Rainforests are found in Africa, Asia, Australia, and Central and South America. The world's largest rainforest is the Amazon rainforest in South America. Rainforests are divided into 4 layers. The emergent layer has the tallest trees that grow above everything else. The canopy layer contains the majority of the tallest trees. The understory layer is home to many animals and plants and has much larger leaves. The forest floor only gets 2% of sunlight. The only plants that can grow down there are ones that can adapt to almost no light. Rainforests are important because they balance the world's climate, give many plants and animals a home, protect against natural disasters like floods or drought, and they are a source of many medicines and foods. Many fruits and vegetables are originally from the rainforest. Coffee, tea, cocoa, vanilla, and beans all originated from the rainforest. Tropical rainforests also give us many plants that we use in our medicines to treat and cure illness. Rainforests also have some of the most beautiful and valuable wood of any region of the world. Did you know that a 4-mile patch of rainforest can contain as many as 1,500 flowering plants, 750 kinds of trees, and 400 kinds of birds, and 150 kinds of butterflies? Rainforests produce about 40% of the world's oxygen.
The tropical rainforest biome is where half of the Earth's animal and plant species exist. Colorful and unusual animals dwell in all 4 layers of the forest. All types of creatures are represented, from tiny insects to large mammals. Some of the most popular animals include the toucan, a bird with a huge, colorful beak, hundreds of different butterflies of all shapes, colors, and sizes, sloths, slow-moving mammal that lives in the trees. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down from tree branches. They eat, sleep, mate, and even give birth upside down. Reptiles. The word reptile means to creep. They are a group of animals that have scales, breathe air, and usually lay eggs. Primates are mammals that include monkeys, apes, lemurs, and even people. All primates have 5 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. They also have color vision. Amphibians mean double life. They are vertebrate animals that live in the water during their early life but live on land as adults. These include newts and salamanders, frogs and toads, and even caecilians, which are giant worms. Insects have an exoskeleton, a 3-part body, and 6 legs. These are the most numerous animals in the rainforest. More than 2/3 of the world's plant animal species are found in the tropical rainforest. The plants help provide shelter and food for the animals, as well as help provide most of the world's oxygen supply. Another type of plant species are bromeliads. They are related to the pineapple family. Their thick, waxy leaves form a bowl shape in the center for catching rainwater. Some can hold several gallons of water. Some of them are even home of insects. The last type of plants are epiphytes, or air plants. They grow everywhere in the rainforest, but can be mainly found on tree branches, trunks, and even leaves. Epiphytes begin their life in the canopy layer, and they come from seeds or spores that are transported by birds and wind.
Tropical rainforests are very wet environments. It rains in them almost every day, hence the name rainforest. Yearly, the total rainfall in a rainforest is around 250 centimeters to 450 centimeters, which equals to about 8 to 14 feet of rain. The constant wetness makes the rainforest very warm and humid because of all the moisture. This is caused by the tall trees, which create canopies that help shade plants and animals from the sunlight and keep in all the moisture. The average temperature during the day is around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter, however, it drops to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It rains so much because the rainforests are the forests closest to the equator. The equator is the warmest part of the Earth. The places where tropical rainforests are located are Central America, the Amazon, Africa, Southern Asia, and Australasia. Because of all the rain, the rainforest is full of lush vegetation. That is why there are so many creatures that live in the rainforest. In fact, although rainforests only cover about 6% of the Earth's surface, they contain more than half of the species of plants and animals around the world.